So this is what arrived today. Amazon. Yeah, this is a simple, straightforward contraption. I'd like to rather call it some kind of protection, rubber protection for the exhaust. Plenty of fellas who do motocross riding and who throw in aftermarket exhausts, which are really expensive, go ahead with things like this. This is just to protect the exhaust. Wraps around the exhaust like that. So as simple as that, a rubber protector. Okay, so what's in the package? This, the whole of it is rubber. Very nice grippy texture to it. And then we have these bumps, more like speed breakers to take on the hits, and two heavy duty zip ties. So what you do with this is you just wrap it around like that and run your zip ties over here and here. As simple as that. Yep, so chopped so much out, and this is the exact girth. Takes care of my muffler, and towards the end is because this is the area that's most prone to getting hit, and I really don't want to lose another exhaust just because it keeps getting hit over here. And a simple straightforward deal when you do a lot of off-road riding is to throw on things that protect things. So first you throw on a muffler, just so that you have a better breathing engine, and then just to take care of the muffler you have to throw on things like these. Okay, so this was by far the easiest installation. I've never installed anything more easy than this. It was just a piece of cake. Two zip ties running on these grooves, and they kind of meet here. I don't know if the camera is picking it up. Yeah. So get the right length cut, no overlapping business, and then run the zip ties, and here you go, exhaust protection on. Yeah, so I've just done a little bit of thinking. I have a little more coming onto the top to protect things that touch the exhaust from the top, and a little less towards the bottom. So this particular portion here, which is the actual protector, I have it placed a little more upwards. It's gone a little, it's a little biased towards the top, less towards the bottom, so there's more protection on the top, again for luggage, soft cases that may touch the exhaust. And yeah, this is good for all those hits, big nasty hits, and hopefully this ought to stay here. I did try moving it, doesn't budge because of the grippy nature of the rubber, and that should be it. Looks a little too flimsy for my kind of taste, but still there's plenty of reviews on this. A straightforward quick video on how to install exhaust muffler, end can, whatever protector. Been a while since I've been making videos. It's because I recently went on a trip, and then we had multiple falls, and the vehicle was badly injured, and a lot of bits and pieces twisted and broken and warped, and a lot of chipped paint. So there was a lot of work that went into it. It took me about a week and more to kind of fix things, and Himi is back, and that should be the attitude. I will definitely make a video on how to approach a crash and how to go about fixing things, and not be so worried about the moment the people have a crash, they just feel ill about the whole thing, and they kind of give up on the motorcycle as well. They go in for a new motorcycle, or they go in for a replacement, and so on and so forth. There's so much of that kind of stuff in our country, in India especially. But I am somebody who works around solutions more than problems. So if I've had hundreds of crashes on this particular bike, and it's still up and running like no other Hemi out there. and I'm extremely proud to be somebody who has this kind of an attitude, that is fix it attitude, and would definitely make a detailed video on how to approach a crash. And even if your motorcycle crashes and has lost, I mean, there's a big list of damages, how to go about fixing it. The right attitude matters. And yeah, so if this helped, it helped. If you guys like the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and keep supporting this channel, guys, is because all of this is for you. If you stand to gain anything from it, just makes my day. Yep, see you on another one. Until then, this is Ben signing out for now. Ciao.